Myself SAHU, Senior Lecturer in Mathematics, Bodasai PS College, Bodasai, Moiribhanj in Odisha. In this video, we will discuss about integration of some more trigonometric functions. I is equal to integration of dx by a plus b cos x plus c sin x, and I1 is equal to integration of dx by a plus b cos x, and I2 is equal to integration of dx by a plus b sin x, and I3 is equal to integration of dx by a cos x plus b sin x. Here I1, I2 and I3 are particular case of I, and I is the general form of I1, I2 and I3. Here, if A is equal to 0, then I convert to the form I3, and if B is equal to 0, then I convert to the form I2, and if C is equal to 0, then I convert to the form I1. So, I1, I2, I3 are particular case of I, and I is the general form of I1, I2 and I3. In all cases, we use the formula sin x is equal to 2 into tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2, and cos x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. And next, we use tan x by 2 is equal to t. After putting the value of sin x and cos x into the tan x by 2 form, then we put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Then after solving, the denominator being a quadratic in t, and it can be written in the form of a1, a2, a3 or a4. This is a4. Here a1 is equal to integration of dz by z square plus a square, a2 is equal to integration of dz by z square minus a square, and a3 is equal to integration of dz by a square minus z square, or here a4 is equal to integration of dz by z, and can be integrated, which we have discussed previous video. So exercise 9H, question number 1, first bit to VI may be evaluated by the technique which we have discussed in this video. In the next video, we will discuss the next problem of the same subject.